Roosevelt once said, "The purpose of life is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience." Good morning to everyone gathered here. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to Anubhuti, where we get to witness life stories straight from the heart. May the splendor of nature serve as a gentle reminder of the boundless goodness of God. As we commence this program, let us unite in prayer led by Chinmay and Tanmay from second year BSc, followed by a welcome dance led by Anamika, Roshi and Raksha from third year BSc.
पंजरा बयलु सेरी कूडियाडु बाळदेष्टु सुंदरा बंधियागಬೇಡ मनवे ತೊರೆದು ಹೋಗು ಪಂಜರ ಬಯಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೂಡಿಯಾಡು ಬಾಳದೆಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರ ಹೊದ್ದು ಮೌನ ಅದುಮಿ ಮಾತು ಹೊಂದಲೇಕೆ ದತ್ತರ ಹೊದ್ದು ಮೌನ ಅದುಮಿ ಮಾತು ಹೊಂದಲೇಕೆ ದತ್ತರ ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆದ್ದು ಭಾವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆದ್ದು ಭಾವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲು ಸವಿಯ ಬಂಧುರ ಬಂಧಿಯಾಗಬೇಡ ಮನವೇ ತೊರೆದು ಹೋಗು ಪಂಜರ ಬಯಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೂಡಿಯಾಡು ಬಾಳದೆಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರ
உண்டவாயனில் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே கொண்டல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வெண்ணை உண்டவாயனில் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை கண்ட கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாமே बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर
सजा दे दूरी मिटा दे धड़कन को बढ़ा दे पलकों में समा ले जख्म पे मरहम फूल पे शबनम जग भूले भूले दिल छूले छूले तेरे नैनों पे आ गए तो तारे भी शर्माए तेरे नैना नैनों की चाल है मखमली हाल है नीची पलकों से बदले सवलों से रसीने मथे तेरी निगाहें जिसमें बसती है उसकी दुआएं ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए हो तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना
team for such a beautiful prayer and a welcome session. We have amongst us our esteemed dignitaries for today. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Praveen Martis, our beloved Registrar, Dr. Alvin Desa, and of course the Director of our Xavier Block, Dr. Narayan Bhatt. Requesting all of you to come to the dais, please. Thank you so much. Today marks a historic moment as we inaugurate our pioneering program, Anubhuti, symbolizing the journey into experiential insights. With great anticipation and enthusiasm, we embark on this inaugural ceremony. I kindly request the esteemed presence of our conveners of the program, Dr. Sana Sheikh, Assistant Professor, the Department of Botany, and Mr. Sri Jayesh, HOD of Department of Biotechnology, as well as our dedicated student coordinators, Ms. Anushri and Ms. Disha, to assist our dignitaries in commencing this program. As you behold our emblem, allow me to illuminate its essence. The plant symbol represents a sapling, which signifies growth, vitality, and new journey. The sun signifies the illumination of knowledge and new perspective. The hand symbolizes guidance and empathy. Together, these symbols signify interconnectedness, which is the essence of Anubhuti. Thank you all for inaugurating this event. A special thank you to Mr. Vinay, Mr. Harshit, and Mr. Sean from the Department of Physics for being so creative with the inauguration, and also would like to thank the students who assisted them. May I now extend a warm invitation to Dr. Narayan Bhatt, the esteemed director of Xavier Block, to grace us with a few words about the event that he has eagerly waited.
Good afternoon to all of you. It is 12:25 now, and the right moment to start any new event. This is called Abhijin Muhurta, supposed to be the best auspicious time to start anything. When you are too hungry, you will think a lot about it. What is the purpose of our existence on this planet? Is a question that was addressed by spiritual leaders, political leaders, scientists, ecologists, and depending on their perception, they have got given answers. There is one important aspect, what's called as humanistic approach. According to humanistic approach, we are here on this earth to make it a better place to live, to do something for the society, to learn something from others, and that is why the program Anubhuti is organized. We need to learn. From whom should we learn? Are the people appearing in the TV screens or the cinema theaters or the YouTube lectures? They are the people from whom we have to learn. We can learn from them. We can learn from the people around us. And we have requested our Vice Chancellor to speak about his life journey. So we don't speak about the end product. We are interested in the journey, how exactly different phases of life has been faced by that speaker. Anubhuti is just evolving. Science students do experiments. Many times experiments are failing. We learn from that. This is a new experiment. We may have to improve it. It is evolving. Objective is to have the programs on alternate Saturdays or Fridays, depending on the convenience of the speakers. And title of this talk was suggested by our counselor Sahasra. Fantastic titles. Thanks to Sahasra Madam for that. The caption was suggested by my friend Dr. Charles. Life story straight from the heart is the caption suggested by Dr. Charles. Fantastic title. The logo was designed by the students. The student volunteers, organizing secretaries, they designed our caption logo so well. Thanks to you. We are going to continue. The next talk will be by our Padre Rector, and we'll have the coming weeks different organizing secretaries, different student volunteers, different cultural programs, so that we are learning from each other and live the life to the fullest possible extent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's my honor to invite Dr. Alvin Desar to the stage to introduce our distinguished guest of honor, our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Mathur.